Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards from two decks for your love energies, guys. This is your first card, and this is your second card. If you want to watch this card, you can skip to that timestamp, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. And for your daily energies, we'll be picking three cards, guys. Virgos, we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. So for your love energies, guys, we will turn the cards now. Faith. So with this card, the energy for y'all, guys, is that maybe in your relationship, you do not know how things are going to go. So you have that uncertainty and you feel that things are not going well and you cannot expect something happy. You don't know how things are going to go. So you feel really scared because you don't know the path actually which is there in your future. What is your future? So this card is about having that faith and confidence, guys, in yourself and in that higher power. So whatever that is happening in our life, however universe is unfolding our situation, we should have faith in that, guys, and we should not feel lost and alone. Maybe right now in the present situation may seem impossible, but you need to take that leap of faith today, guys. Have that trust in yourself and have that trust in the universe, because all that is happening is only for something good, guys, in our life. So whatever the outcome is in our situation, it will be for the highest good. So you need to have that trust on however things are going. So in this relationship, you need to have that hope and faith in you first and then in the higher power. Then things will go in a harmonious way, guys. So what is this card? For those who have chosen this card, mending. So with this card, guys, the energy for your love energy, guys, maybe in our relationship we may this may be the time for that healing. Maybe we have had some stressful situations today, maybe some fights or arguments, and we can move forward. If we want to move forward in a positive way, it is going to be only through forgiveness, guys. So maybe some of you all are separate or some of you all are together in this connection still, and you are hurt by that experiences whatever you had. So in order to clear that negative energy and bridge that gap whatever that you have, you need to go for that healing of that wound. So you have to go for that honest truth, guys, honest amends whatever you truly feel. Maybe if you have done some mistakes, you can say sorry and ask for their forgiveness. Or if that other person has done something wrong and you need to make that connection, you can forgive them, guys. Or if that other person comes and says sorry, then it is well and fine. Otherwise, you have to go in for that forgiveness. When you do that, you will be able to get over that hurt and you will start amending this relationship. That is what this card is about, guys, for your love energy. Let us see what are the cards for your daily energies, Virgos. It's Two of Pentacles in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. The Eight of Wands in reverse and Six of Wands. So with these cards, guys, the energy for your Maybe some of you may be celebrating, guys, some kind of achievement, some kind of success today. Something has happened, something positive, and you are celebrating it. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you may be getting some important communication, some letters or written communication. It may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. For some people it may be even something bad, guys, some negative kind of communication also. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you may be having some misunderstandings or quarrels in your relationship, guys, and there may be people who are jealous, maybe because of the success, maybe some triumph or some successful beginning of some work or project. So people are jealous of you. And maybe for some of you would have done some mistakes, and you're really guilty for those mistakes, and you're feeling stressed. That may also be the energy, some kind of stress because of that guilt. Or some people may be jealous of you. That is also there because of your success in your work situation. Or they may be you may be having a good person in your connection with this relationship, and there may be people who are jealous of you both because of this relationship you share with that person. So that is the reading for you all, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.